Good morning, children. Hope so. You all are keeping safe at home and studying properly. I once again welcome you to your EVS class. We were going through chapter 2, My Body, in which we came to know about different organs of our body and some parts of our body we can see they are external organs and some parts are there inside our body they are internal organs. We have studied about brain, heart and lungs which are our internal organs. Today we will study about stomach. So, stomach looks like a bag. You can see the picture here. It looks like a bag. The food that we eat goes to the stomach, and the stomach is an internal organ that looks like a pouch. That is, it looks like a bag. Okay. The stomach changes the food we eat into liquid form and helps us to digest the food. So, whatever food we eat, it goes into the stomach. The stomach changes the food into liquid form so that it can get digested easily inside our body. We get energy and strength from the food we eat. Okay, the stomach helps to digest the food. So, now we have kidneys also. After the food gets digested, our waste part comes out of the kidney. The kidneys help to remove waste from our body. We have two kidneys in our body. Now, spot the names of 8 body parts hidden in the word grid and write them below. Here you can see, children, a word grid is given. Okay, here one has been done for you. You have to find out the other body parts. All the names of body parts have the letter E. They all are external body parts. One has been done for you. Here you can see, children, NOSE, nose. Nose has been marked. Okay, this is done for you. This way you have to find out 7 other body parts. Okay, so let us find. EYES, eyes. ELBOW, elbow. LEG, leg. EARS, ears. TOE, toe. HEAD, head. KNEE, knee. So this one, children, you will first of all encircle in the grid, and after that you will write it in the space provided. Like in number 1, nose is written. In number 2, you will write eyes. Then in number 3, you will write elbow. That way you have to complete this exercise in the book. Now let's move to our next topic, sense organs. Children, in your previous classes also you have studied about sense organs. We have 5 sense organs, okay, and they play a very important role in our life. We can understand the world easily because of the presence of these 5 sense organs, and the 5 sense organs are eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. Okay, so these sense organs are the body parts or organs that help us to know about the world around us. These are called sense organs, and our skin can sense when mother hugs. It can sense hot and cold water too. So we can feel hotness or coldness of water because of our sense organ. We can also feel the hug of our mother or our relatives. Now, how our eyes helps us? Our eyes helps us to see the beautiful world around us. We can see birds flying in the sky, different objects in the sky like the sun, the moon, stars, everything. We can also see television with the help of our eyes. So we can see this beautiful world with the help of our eyes. We can read books, watch a football match on television, and see the time on the watch with our eyes. We can do a lot many activities with the help of our eyes. Now, the next sense organ is nose. We can smell things with the help of our nose. We can smell food in the kitchen. We can smell the beautiful flowers. We can also smell the foul smelling garbage in the garbage dump. So, children, we can smell different things with the help of our nose. Some of the things are there which smell good, while some other things are there which smell bad. We can smell both types of things with the help of our nose. Okay, so children, this much for today. We will continue our chapter in our next class. Till then, take care. Thank you.